Namaskar. Dear students, under the Model 2 of the medical insurance and related topics, we are going to deal with the legal aspect of medical insurance. Medical insurance is the bigger industry wherein you have to be a part of that process, maybe as a healthcare provider or may as be a part of a team which verifies the claim and pass the claims, or sometimes deny the claim on the basis of its merit. So you may be on any part of the insurance regulatory process. You sometimes may be the beneficiary of the medical insurance also whenever you opt for the medical insurance. To deal with this session, we are going to discuss with legal aspect of medical insurance. Under these objectives of the session are the roles of various regulatory bodies which will keep a control over the insurance related matters. What are the legal implications of the insurance denial? How to handle the grievances whenever some disputes are being raised, and we are also going to discuss some case studies on the legal challenges in medical insurance. So on your screen there are the learning objectives of our session. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is the primary regulatory authority which protects the basic rights of the policyholder. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare also is the regulatory body having the direct supervision over such medical health related products and plays a crucial role in formatting and formulating the healthcare policies and implementing in the health insurance schemes. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare closely with the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India ensures the coordination and alignment in regulating the health insurances. The various consumer forums may be at district, state level or national levels handles the various disputes, the grievances to the insurance related policy and provide a platform for dispute resolution. The consumer forum also plays an important role in safeguarding the policyholders and to provide them the fair treatment. The regulatory body like IRDAI is a statutory body under the Act of Parliament, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act of 1999, for overall supervision and development of insurance sector in India. The key objectives are displayed on your screen. It includes the protection of interest, the speedy and orderly growth of insurance industries, speedy settlement of genuine claims, effective grievances redressal mechanism, promotion, fairness, transparency and orderly conduct in financial market dealing with the insurance. Prudential regulation while ensuring the financial security of the insurance market are the key objectives of this authority. Here is the logo displayed on your screen. The main functions of the authority, it includes the regulation and supervision of the insurer, their protections in terms of their rights, the product regulations are to be laid down, then premium and pricing regulations for various policy products and insurance products are very well regularized by the authority. The solvency and financial health of the insurer is the prime concern. The market conducts and the ethics has to be supervised, facilitating the market development, public awareness about the insurance and making them educated by means of awareness programs and various education schemes. The role in cases of dispute resolutions, and the data will be available with the authority in terms of in good number of the stakeholders. So the research can also be done with the data collection, and these are all the functions of the Indian Regulatory Development Authority of the functions of the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India are displayed on your screen. The conclusion is that IRDAI plays a critical role about the integrity of insurance market, and being the regulatory authority, it also has got a framework which ensures the manner with fair, transparent and best interest of the consumers the services to be provided with. The ethical consideration in medical insurance practices, the patient confidentiality, the transparency and disclosure, avoiding the conflicts of interest and fair and equitable treatment is the ethical consideration on the medical insurance part, because patients' confidentiality should not be breached. It is a crucial part, and balancing the transparency with the privacy should be the prime importance. The disclosure with the others should be avoided, and the information and the providing clear and comprehensive information about the policy related matter to the patient should be done in a proper way. Avoiding the conflict of interest. Medical professional must prioritize the patient in the best interest and avoid benefiting from the insurance decisions. Fair and equitable treatment. Ensuring fair treatment for all insured individual regardless of their backgrounds or health status. This is the equitable approach, and with this approach the fair and equitable treatment should be offered. This is the ethical consideration on the part. There are some legal implications also. So the insurance denial have significant implications in terms of the penalties sometimes will be attracted, the clarification will be sought from the companies on the basis of which they have denied it. So denial of claim is the very crucial thing in the process of medical insurance, and it will be a shock for the policy holder, the insurer, when such denial will be there. And it can be either made from the pre-existing conditions or the policy excluding criterias, or sometimes related with fraudulent claims, or either by the non-payment of the premium. Pre-existing conditions means the disease which were earlier there. Policy exclusions means not all conditions and not all diseases are covered under certain